What's up? Good to see you. How are you? Good. Hi. You smell my dog? You smell Roxy? Hi.
There you go, there's your trophy. Hold it up. Smile.
What's up, buddy?
Dude, how's the recovery going? You're looking great.
Just getting there.
Yeah.
I just hit like 2.5 month mark, and so it feels so good just to like be out here again and like.
I'm sure it feels good to like be able to go out, be able to actually take pictures again. Like.
Yeah, I can't drive yet, which sucks. So I have to have people take me everywhere. But about I think mid-November I'll have this thing off, so it should be rocking and
How long
rolling.
was your recovery? It felt like it was like.
It's been about 2.5 months now.
Yeah.
So.
Somewhat quick, but not really.
Yeah, it's weird, dude. Hi.
focus.
Okay.
So this is your main view, this is your zoom. So right now it's perfectly focused for that headlight. So go, you have...
Wait, so this is the focus?
Yes.
It's so weird that it's like opposite.
Yeah, so do it. I'll make sure you get your shots.
How do I
So
shot? Is that the shutter?
This is the shutter button.
Okay.
Yeah, you can like go for it.
Okay. I did it.
You have to do more.
How do you like do the next one?
So you crank this forward. Really go.
I think I got it. Oh wow, okay. Dude, this thing's so sick. The sound of the shutters sounds so cool.
Oh yeah.
That's so sick though.
Yeah, here it is.
Thanks for letting me try it, dude.
Oh, absolutely.
So there's Cinestill in that one?
This is 400.
Nice, okay. That's sick.
Okay, when's your plan for 997 on the racetrack?
997 the race car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Next
gonna
year?
make that. Yeah.
Next year?
I just bought like a cup car and for his register.
Okay.
Specific one is about 1600, 1700. But that's not the lower end. So the higher end ones are about.
I got you beat. Oh.
Dude, how many megapixels is that? Is that a full frame?
I mean,
So this is an STI engine?
Yeah, it's 1,000 horsepower.
Really?
Yeah.
So I guess there's the reliability still, right?
Yeah.
That's sick. I feel like that's the way to
The
go.
guy that built it is here. He built it right there with the green on his shirt.
Okay.
Yeah, he built it. He flew out from New Jersey. He built Bucky Lassek's race car engine.
Did he really?
Yeah.
That's sick.
New Jersey double build, Spain triple build, 3.5 actually. Fix another car.
And then Seattle's a 3?
Seattle's gonna be 3, that's next week. I won't be able to make that. Yeah, I actually have to go back to work.
Yeah.
Fucking work. Yeah.
And then he's doing like 8 in LA or something?
In LA.
That's so gnarly.
And then 1 in Zima, and then up to Sacramento for 2 of mine, and then 1 more, 3 in Sacramento.
That's crazy.
And then flies home to Japan.
That shot looked crazy.